Belter Machine. Today I'm your host. Belter Machine makes all the machines for ceramic tiles and today I'm going to introduce our top selling CNC auto. This is our top selling. It can cut the tiles in automatically without chippings and in very fast speed. Okay, let's go to see. Let's go to see how this machine works. With its main part. Its main part is the 3 motors connected to the cutting blades. You can see there are 3 cutting blades here in one linear line. Somebody will ask why we design like this, 3 blades in one line. Isn't it one blade is enough? Let me show you the working theory here. Okay, I prepared a drawing for you. This is the cutting theory of this machine. You can see there are 3 blades, first, second, and the third. The first blade cut part of the edge of the tile. The second, we chamfer to remove the chippings. That is how this machine to remove the chippings. And the second comes with the tile base. Come inside and let's see. Let me explain again. Here the first blade we pre-cut. That means cut hard of the edge of the ceramic tiles. And second, we install a chamfer wheel, a V-shaped chamfer wheel to remove the chippings. And the third one, the final one, to cut through the tile base. So that's how it works and how it can cut bars without chippings. Okay, that's all I introduced, and thank you for today. Stay tuned. Thank you.